And reflection of light with the plane mirror. With the plane mirror, the reflection is like, if we have a reflection, if light is coming at some angle, it will bounce back at some angle, and this is normal. If it is bouncing at 25 degree, it will bounce back at 25. If your light is coming at angle of 25, your light will reflect back at angle of 25, but it is coming straight. If it's coming at 0 degree, it will bounce back at same angle. The direction it is coming, it will go at the same direction if it is not making any angle. If the angle is 0, the reflection angle will always be 0. So both is 0. So the direction it is coming, it will reflect back in same the direction. That is reflection of light from a plane mirror. If it's coming in the direction, same direction it will bounce back. If it's coming in the direction of angle, then it will reflect back at the angle. Then we have ray diagrams. Ray diagrams are the one which help us to tell that where our image will be formed, where we will get our image, where will be our reflection be shown. That is the ray diagram. So in the ray diagrams, we always have some plane axis, that is known as principal axis. In this principal axis, we have mirror. So mirror is polished because it has some lines drawn on it, means it is being polished. So they have taken a point object. Point object means a single object which do not have any length, breadth. That is a point object, means it is not at kept of some distance. A point object is something that is on the line. This is on the line. It do not have any length, no breadth, nothing. That is a point object. So there is a point object, dot, that is a point object. So from the point object, the light is coming. So light is striking at some angle. See, it is striking at some angle. If it is striking at some angle, it will reflect at some angle. So that will be incident ray and reflected ray, and parallel line which is known as normal. So light is coming and striking back, and incident ray, reflected ray and normal ray all are in the same plane, and angle of incidence and angle of reflection is same. So it is obeying all the two laws. It is obeying all the two laws, that incident ray, reflected ray, normal all are in the one plane, and angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So the two laws is being applied here. Then they have extended the light at the back. They've extended the light at the back, and we are getting our image. It look like it has to be here, but it is, if we extend it, it will be at the back of the mirror. So O is an object whose reflection you want, means if I am standing in the mirror, so I will be an object, and my reflection will be my image. The image that I get in a mirror, in a plane mirror, that is my image. So I am an object and my reflection is the image. So always in a plane mirror, object will be equal to an image. The size of an object and image will be same. Like how much height I have, in the mirror also same height I can get. If I am 5 foot, in the mirror also I can get 5 foot. My height will not increase, it will remain the same. But the thing is, in always a plane mirror, image is always formed at the back. It always formed at the back, but we always look in the front because it seems to be in the front. In the mirror we can see the reflection, but actually the image is formed at the back. So that is ray diagram of point object. And then come of an size of, if might be it having any size. So they have taken a small size from P and Q. Same, the light comes and strike back. So light is coming, striking back, light is coming and striking back. Same diagram like point object, and but here also we extended the back. So here the light is being extended and it is made at the back. So the characteristics of a plane mirror is, the object and image is same. My size in the mirror will always be same. 5 foot means 5 foot. It is always formed at the back, but we always see in the front. We always see the image in front of the mirror. In the front of mirror I can see myself, but it is always formed at the back. It look like it is in the front, but it actually is forming at the back. The size is same, it is formed at the back, and the things that is always formed at the back is known as virtual image. Image that is formed at the back of the mirror is known as virtual image. So the image is virtual. Actually it look like here, but it is at the back. So it is a virtual image, and if I see in the mirror, my left hand side will look in the right hand side and right hand side will look like a left hand side. So my image is always inverted, opposite. If I am writing in the left hand side, the writing will come in the right hand side. If I am writing in the right hand side, it will come at left hand side. You have must observed in the mirror. So these are the characteristics of image formed by plane mirror, is that it always in the same size, it is always formed at the back, and the image that is formed at the back is known as virtual image, and it is always show a inverted image, left to right, right to left. Like they have example given of ambulance. If you seen in the ambulance, it always written in the opposite side, but it is written left to right. Why they have written left to right? Because whenever we are driving from the rear view mirror, whenever we see in rear view mirror, this ambulance will come in an opposite direction. It will be shown as like this, ambulance. So they have written it opposite direction, that's why we can see it direct. If they have written direct one, if by chance they have written ambulance directly, so in the mirror we will see like this. So will you able to see it in the mirror? So you will never get to know what is at the back, why, how, which driver, which ambulance is going at the back. So to get to know कि ambulance name is written correctly, that's why they always write in opposite. We always see it in an opposite direction so that we can see it correctly. And it is not like our image is always from left to right, never top to bottom. Never in my image I will see like my head at the bottom and my foot on my head. That is never happen. So image is always left to right, never top to bottom. We never see my head at the down and my foot on my head, never. That never happens. It always happens like left to right and right to left. And colors do not changes. If I am wearing red, in the mirror also I will see red. If I am wearing yellow, it will remain a yellow. No color changing will be there.